guys are well and I'm fantastic. I'm all good, my beautiful people. So for those who are tuning in for the first time, I am Tabi Singh, and for the returning subscribers, hope you guys are here to stay, man. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. So guys, I'm here to do the unboxing and I'll be showing you guys how to install the disco lights, and I hope you guys enjoy that. Hope you guys find it fun, find it interesting. So let's go, my beautiful people. I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks like. So this is the disco light. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. This is the disco light, and it's quite simple. Let me see from here. This is the back. This is how it looks like at the back. There we go. So you guys can see that. So yeah, then from here, see what we have. We have the remote there. You have the disco lights there. I think they're 5 meter long, if not mistaken. And then the plug and stuff like that. I'll show you guys how it looks like and stuff. So let's go. Yes. So let me do the unboxing. Let me do the unboxing. Oh my god. Great stuff. There goes the remote. Great. These are the disco lights. Great. So how does it work? So the first thing we have, this is the remote. This is how it looks like. This is the remote, guys. And this guy. And then how does it work? How do you do the installation? So this part, I'm sure you guys can see it, must go in there. Do you guys can see there how does it look like? I'm trying to get it portrait to concentrate on this, but it must go in there. Lovely. Let me show you guys how it's gonna look like. It must there. Lovely. And then what do? You have to pull this one down. Great stuff. Do you see? Great. And then from there, so you guys can see this. That's where I'm gonna put in my plug. This plug. The plug is gonna go in there. Great stuff. Great stuff. Then this, I'm gonna connect it to the plug. Let's go. Cheers. Okay, so what are we gonna do for the remote to work? We have to disconnect it. This. Lovely. Great stuff. And then the next step is I'm gonna have to connect it down there. So let's see how that is gonna look like. Cool. Do you see? Putting in a different color. Great stuff. But it looks like the colors are not, some of them are not corresponding, guys. See, there we go, there we go. And all of that stuff. Cool, we're good to go, guys. Great. Power it off, power it on. Good stuff. Cool. So there's a tape on the side, which is the part that I have to put it on there. Take a see, look at the beauty. Look at this, guys. How amazing is this? How amazing. Hi guys, please do rate my installation. How did you guys find it? Rate it out of 10. How was that for you guys? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Love you guys. Love you all to bits from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the best. You're the best of the best of the best of the best thing ever. You guys are the best thing that has ever happened to me. So I love you guys, all of you guys. Take care. Bam. I'm out there. Cheers.